very happy morning to you, my dear students. Today, for subject Value Education for Standard 4, the topic is Lesson 11, Trees. Okay, you all love nature, isn't it? In today, we are going to learn Man in Nature. Okay, हम इंसान इस नेचर में क्या करते हैं? Do we take care of the trees? So in part 1, we are going to look into the poem on trees. Students, trees are important part of nature. You see so many things around us and trees are one of the important part of the nature. Why? Because trees help in cleaning the pollutant air. The green leaves of the trees, they take in carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is harmful to us. So they take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen which we need. So they help to clean the pollutant air. Trees give us food, apples, mangoes, vegetables, we get food from trees. Shelter, our house is made of wood, yes, we use wood to make our house, door, windows and home. So they are our friend. They are in fact our best friend. So today we are going to watch the video on trees. Are you all ready, children? So let's begin with the video on trees. It's a poem.
Trees. Trees of the fragrant forest. What do you do for our world? Agree?
So once more for you. Okay, pay attention, children.
Trees of the fragrant forest, with leaves of green unfurled, through summer's heat, through winter's cold. What do you do for our world?
Okay, in this poem, it is being asked. Trees are there around us with their green leaves, and trees of the fragrant forest. In forest, there are so many trees with leaves, green leaves. And through the summer heat and winter's cold, are the trees doing anything for us? That is the question we are asking. ये forest के trees हमारे लिए summer में और winter में क्या करते हैं? What they do for us? Okay, so listen carefully.
Our green leaves catch the raindrops that fall with soothing sound. Then drop.
So what the green leaves do? They catch the raindrops, okay? They don't allow the raindrop to go directly down and flow out into the rivers and stream. उनको रोक लेते हैं. They stop the raindrops and gently they drop down onto the ground, okay?
Put them slowly.
Slowly. Can you see?
When rushing down the hillside, a mighty pressure forms.
So then they come down onto the stream and we get lot of fresh water, drinking clean water, because the trees make sure that they are not absorbed by the ground, but instead gently and slowly they flow down into the streams.
Our giant trunks and spreading roots defend your happiness.
Now you see the giant trunk. ये जो बड़े ट्रंक है ना, वो पानी को बह जाने से रोक देते हैं. They stop the water from going directly into the sea or the river, and they allow the water to stop and seep into the ground. और वो पानी जमीन पी लेता है. And what happens? Then more lush green plants, trees और उगते हैं. Okay, and they spread greenery around.
From burning heat in summer, we offer cool retreat. Protect the land in winter storm from cold wind and sleet.
So in winter, what the trees do? They protect the land from the direct snowfall. Okay, and in summers they give shade. वो छाव देती है. तो summer also they protect the land. In winter also from this frost, from the snowfall से हमारी धरती को, earth को protect करता है. So trees are our friend.
Our falling leaves in autumn, by breezes turned and tossed, will rake a deep sponge carpet warm with.
Now what you see here? Autumn season. जब सारे लीव्स सब गिर रहे हैं, that time also they are helping us. When the leaves are falling down, they make nice soft carpet for the ground. अर्थ के लिए, धरती के लिए अच्छा सा कारपेट बिछा देता है, okay? And it is protecting our earth. So trees are helping us in summer, in winter, in autumn, हर मौसम में, every time they are helping
Save
us.
the ground from frost. We give you pulp for paper. Our fuel gives you heat.
Okay, so what do you get from trees? You get pulp to make paper. Paper बनाने के लिए pulp मिलता है, and also wood, लकड़ी to produce. It used as fuel. Okay, many people cook their food using the wood as for making fire.
We furnish lumber for your homes.
Yes, and we make our beautiful homes.
Furnish lumber for your
Yes,
homes.
our homes
Plants
with
and
the
fruits
wood
to eat.
and fruits,
Strong
vegetables.
beautiful outline with branches green and bare.
Yes.
We fill the land through all the year with beauty everywhere.
So you see, trees are helping us all through their life, and they are spreading beauty around. With the greenery, they makes this world a beautiful place to live.
From the forest, each one a message says, to children this abroad day, we trees are your best friends.
So what is the message? Trees हमें क्या message दे रही हैं? They are giving us the message that we are your best friends. So children, you all love trees. You all have to take care of the trees. Okay? So that we have now watched the video and you have understood about the trees. We are going to now. This is the notes which I will be sending you, and you will be copying it very neatly in your notebook. Okay? The question is, how do trees help us in summer and winter? Summer में और winter में tree हमारे लिए क्या करता है? In summer, the trees protect us from heat. So you will learn this. ये आपको learn करना है. Protect us from heat. And in winter, they protect us from cold. Okay? Next, what do the trees do in autumn? In autumn, the trees warm the ground from frost. वो जो red green leaves जो गिरते हैं धरती पे, वो उसके ऊपर छाव देती है. It protects it from the frost, from the ice cold winds. Okay, snowfall. How do the trees make the earth beautiful? How the tree make earth beautiful? They make the trees make the earth beautiful with their green branches. You saw the last picture, no? Green, green, green everywhere, and the earth looks beautiful. What message do the trees give out to the children? आपको क्या message मिला इससे? Yes? Very good. The trees give out the message, trees give out to the children the message that we are your best friends. Tree is our best friend. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson. In the next video, we will be discussing the question answers and textual content of it. Happy learning. God bless you all.